Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Artificial Intelligence. Module 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence. The goal of AI is to build systems that can learn from data, reason, understand natural language, and interact with the environment to solve complex problems. AI techniques are used in various domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn patterns and relationships from data without being explicitly programmed. AI has several applications, such as speech recognition, image recognition, autonomous vehicles, virtual personal assistants, and recommendation systems. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to transform various industries, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing, and improve our daily lives in ways we cannot imagine. Overview of artificial intelligence and its applications. There are several branches of AI, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn patterns and relationships from data without being explicitly programmed. Natural language processing involves teaching machines to understand and process human language. Computer vision involves teaching machines to recognize and interpret visual information from the world. Robotics involves building machines that can move, sense, and act in the physical world. AI has numerous applications in various domains, including 1. Healthcare. AI is used in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment planning. 2. Finance. AI is used in fraud detection, risk management, and trading. 3. Manufacturing. AI is used in predictive maintenance, quality control, and process optimization. 4. Retail. AI is used in inventory management, personalized marketing, and customer service. 5. Transportation. AI is used in autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and logistics planning. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to transform various industries and improve our daily lives in ways we cannot imagine. However, there are also ethical and societal implications that must be considered as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. Comparison of different AI tools and platforms. There are several AI tools and platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here's a comparison of some popular AI tools and platforms. 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source AI framework developed by Google. It is used for building deep learning models and has a large community of users. TensorFlow is highly scalable and supports distributed training across multiple devices and platforms. 2. PyTorch. PyTorch is an open-source AI framework developed by Facebook. It is known for its dynamic computational graph, which allows for faster prototyping and easier debugging. PyTorch is also highly customizable and has a user-friendly interface. 3. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural network API that can run on top of TensorFlow or Theano. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a popular choice for beginners. Keras also has a large library of pre-built models that can be used for a variety of tasks. 4. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform that offers AI and machine learning services. It provides a range of tools for building, deploying, and managing AI models. Microsoft Azure is highly scalable and can be integrated with other Microsoft tools and services. Understanding the AI workflow. The AI workflow consists of several steps that are involved in developing, training, and deploying AI models. Here is a high-level overview of the AI workflow. Problem definition. The first step in the AI workflow is to define the problem that needs to be solved. This involves identifying the business or research objective and understanding the data that will be used to solve the problem. Data collection. Once the problem is defined, the next step is to collect and prepare the data that will be used to train the AI model. This involves identifying the relevant data sources and cleaning, pre-processing, and transforming the data as needed. Data exploration and preparation. This step involves exploring the data to gain insights into its characteristics and identify any issues or anomalies that need to be addressed. This may involve visualizing the data, performing statistical analysis, or using other data exploration techniques. Model selection. After the data is prepared, the next step is to select the appropriate AI model for the problem. This involves understanding the characteristics of different types of models, such as neural networks or decision trees, and selecting the best model for the problem at hand. Model training. Once the model is selected, the next step is to train it using the prepared data. This involves feeding the data into the model and adjusting the model's parameters to optimize its performance on the training data. Model evaluation. After the model is trained, it is evaluated to assess its performance on new, unseen data. This involves using a validation dataset to test the model's accuracy and other performance metrics. Model deployment. Once the model is trained and evaluated, it is ready to be deployed in a production environment. This involves integrating the model into an application or system and making it available for use by end users. Model monitoring and maintenance. After the model is deployed, it needs to be monitored and maintained to ensure that it continues to perform well over time. This involves monitoring the model's performance, identifying and addressing any issues, and updating the model as needed to reflect changes in the data or business requirements. Overall, the AI workflow involves a series of iterative steps, from defining the problem to deploying and maintaining the model. Each step is important for the successful development and deployment of AI models.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.